Hey, it's Kate with WTI. It can be hard to find the perfect gift to tell someone that you've been thinking of them, but I am so in love with this option from Naha Flume. They have the perfect gift boxes that is sure to bring a smile to someone's face.
I think my favorite thing about this is how beautiful the packaging is. So just opening it is fun. It is so pretty. It makes you feel special. So just know that if you are sending this straight to your friend, it is going to come so beautiful and it is going to really be well protected too. All the items are in there, nice and secure. And it's just super, super fun for them to open. But it comes with such great things. I love this tumbler. I think it's probably my favorite part of it, but it also has all of these items to create a home spa experience. It even comes with a little card, which is a really sweet touch. But I love that it has everything, the soap, it has a candle, a bath bomb, even fuzzy socks. So this is everything that your friend is going to need to create an at-home spa experience, to have a little self-care moment. It is a very thoughtful, beautiful gift, and all of these items are so nice. They smell so good, and it's just like receiving a hug in a box.
So if there's someone special in your life that you want to make smile, you want them to know that you're thinking of them, or just like send them a hug in a box, definitely check out this gift set by Naha Flume. They have such thoughtful, special gifts that are going to make your loved one smile. But that's just my point of view.